As the solar industry continues to grow, millions of photovoltaic panels will eventually reach the end of their service life. But before recovering valuable materials from waste solar panels, the first challenge is removing the aluminum frame efficiently. Traditionally, solar panel frames are removed manually, which can be time-consuming, labor-intensive, and difficult when processing large quantities of PV modules. That's where our fast frame removal technology comes in. This semi-automatic solar panel frame removal machine is designed to quickly separate aluminum frames from used photovoltaic panels, improving processing efficiency while reducing manual labor. With a simple operation process, the machine helps recyclers handle waste solar panels faster and prepares them for the next recycling steps, such as glass separation and material recovery. The removed aluminum frames can be collected separately, while the remaining PV panels can continue to be processed through advanced recycling systems. Whether you are building a solar recycling facility or looking for an efficient pretreatment solution, our PV panel frame removal technology provides a smarter way to start the recycling journey. Solar panel recycling starts here, with faster, safer, and more efficient frame removal.